once again. Today we are
Hello
gonna
guys,
separate
welcome
our
back to
knife
my
from
page. This is
motherboard.
Simite.
What
Today
is
we're
the first
gonna
step in how
show
to
you
separate
how to separate an iPhone motherboard mid-layer. The mid-layer of an iPhone. This is an iPhone X board. Today we are going to separate the middle layer of this board. The issue of this one is having a touch issue. The first one was by hitting by rain. I'm going to upload the full video. Plus this, I just want to show you how to separate this board. That's the topic of this video. So all you have to do is to watch the end, like, comment and share, and then don't forget to follow for more tutorial videos. Keep watching, make sure you watch to the end. The first step is to add paste to the mid layer of this board. You just have to have a little paste, not too much, a little paste to it. So then after that, move on to the next step. Then you start heating it up. You have to know the exact temperature and the airflow you need to apply to the motherboard, or else you are going to damage the board. So you have to be careful, very careful while heating it up. So after that, you started spreading the heat evenly on the board, not only on one place. Then boom, you remove it separately. You separate it easily, no damage, nothing. As you can see, I'm done separating it. So don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe to my page for more videos, for more tutorial videos. This is Simite. You can watch me on any social media. Don't forget to like, comment and share. If you share it, it's going to eager me to upload more videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share for more complete videos over this iPhone issue. This is of your tutor Simite. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching.